Hello, this video will give a clinician a brief training of the OnePacs system. To start, open an internet browser and go to web.onepacs.com. This will bring you to the login screen. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link to start the process of resetting your password. To log in, enter your username and password and click the Login button. This will bring you to the OnePacs work list. On the OnePacs work list, you can view the images and the reports for the studies that you have access to. You can use the top search panel to search for a particular patient or for a particular study. Enter in a patient name to search for a particular patient. Clear the search field in order to clear the filter. You can change the search criteria by selecting a different value from the drop-down list. You can also search by various date fields. For example, we may only want to search back for the last 30 days of studies that we received. You can also filter this list by study status. For example, if you wanted to only see red cases, you could unselect all boxes other than red. Reselect the other study statuses to re-include them on your list. Studies with a diagnostic report will have a scroll icon under the toolbar. Hover over this icon to get a quick glimpse of what the report says. Click on the icon to open the report. On the top of the reporting page, there are icons where you can perform various tasks with the report. For example, you can print the report or export it to PDF. To print a report, select the printer icon and then select the print button. You can view the report in Adobe Reader or export it as a PDF by clicking on the Export as PDF option. Close the reporting window to return to the work list. Several viewers exist for viewing the medical images. You can set your default viewer under the Options and User Preferences menu. Click on the View Study icon in order to open the study in your default viewer. Click on the thumbnail image on the left in order to open the series of the study. Use the buttons below in order to navigate through the images of the series. Click the Show Tools button in order to see additional functionality for the images. You can window and level by clicking on the Window and Level button. Left-click on the image and drag the mouse to window and level. You can use the Reset button to reset the image. Click on the Zoom On button and hover over the Zoom In button in order to zoom the image. Click on the Move button and then left-click on the image in order to move it. Close the Simple Web Viewer in order to return to the work list. If you have Java installed, you can also use the Java Web Viewer in order to view the study. Right-click on a study and select the View and Java Web Viewer options in order to open the study in the Java Web Viewer. This will open the study in the Diagnostic Quality Viewer. In the Java Web Viewer, you can change your layout by selecting the Display Layout button and then selecting the appropriate series tiling or image tiling. By default, the left mouse button will scroll through images and the right mouse button will do window and leveling. To scroll through the images of a series, left-click on the image and move the mouse up and down in order to scroll through the images. Right-click while moving the mouse in order to window and level. Use the Zoom In and Out buttons in order to zoom in and out on the images. Close the Java Web Viewer to return to the work list. Click Log Out to log out of the system. This concludes this brief tutorial for a clinician on the OnePacs system. More help and documentation can be found at the listed website.